Really fantastic today to be opening Haverfordwest's new landmark bridge connecting the eastern and western quaysides in Haverfordwest. It's a key part of the journey in regenerating Haverfordwest town centre, making sure that it's a great place both for our community but also for investment and wealth creation. So we've got a huge job of work still to do, getting the private sector in with us to invest behind us, but we've laid the key foundation stones for a Haverfordwest that's prosperous, easy to visit and a fantastic place to live and work.
So it's great to be here today on the Hwlffordd footbridge opening ceremony. This is a project that everyone wants to celebrate, and it's really good to see the success of the project and what that has brought for Hwlffordd.
It's been a great project to work on. As you can see, it's a very unique bridge, very challenging to design and construct, but it's been a very worthwhile project. One of my favourite things about the bridge is that it's been designed, fabricated in Wales. It's been fabricated by Centigrade Engineering, who are based in Cardiff. It's been designed by Atkins, who are based out of the Cardiff and Swansea offices. And it's been delivered by us, Walters UK, South Wales-based contractor.